guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm about to wash the heck out of my hair. My hair needs to be deep cleaned really bad. I'm trying to show you guys what it's looking like right now with the condition that it's in before I wash it. I'm going to be doing an ACV rinse, which is a apple cider vinegar rinse. This is not my first time doing this, probably my second or third time doing it. And I started noticing, I tried to do it, I think the last time I did it was quite a while back. I would say more than 6 months ago. So I started noticing that I'm having a lot of buildup, mostly at the back. So I'm trying to show you guys. I do apologize if I'm not getting good angles, but I am holding the camera myself, and I'm trying to show you like the middle. And you know, my main concern is the back. I can't really tell in the middle, but my main concern is the back. I started to see a little bit of white things at the base of my locks, and that normally is buildup. So before I get out of hand, I want to get it out. So I'm going to be doing an ACV rinse today, and please don't mind my dirty hair. Like, my scalp is so dirty, it needed to be washed so bad. And one of my concerns is the color. So I'm really kind of concerned if the color is going to come out completely, because this is a rinse. So let's see. As you can see, I'm going to be doing it in my kitchen. Yeah, my head cannot fit inside of my bathroom sink bowl. Couldn't do it. So I'm going to be doing it in the kitchen. So I got a bowl, and I believe you're supposed to use a warm water for this process. So I'm just testing the temperature of the water to make sure it's at a good temperature. Don't want it too hot, and I don't want it too cold, because I do have, like I said, a color rinse in my hair, and I don't want the color to come out completely. So I hope it don't, because this is double the trouble for me if it does, because I really don't want to lose my color. I just did it about 2 or 3 weeks ago, so I don't really have good like measurements for this. So I would say probably about, I don't know how much that really was, but about 3 tablespoons I probably would say. And with the baking soda, like I said, I don't have measurements, so please do forgive me. I just make sure I put enough for the amount of water that, you know, that I'm using. And I'm doing something new also as far as the ingredients. I'm using lemon. I've never used lemon juice before, so I just want to try it out, because I've noticed a lot of different videos where people use more than just the apple cider and the baking soda. And I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes. This is going to be like one of the hardest 15 minutes of my life, guys, because this process is not fun, not comfortable at all, getting all those angles. And like I say, my main concern is the very back in the base of it. So I hope I do a good job, because this right here, y'all, I am not a small woman. So this, I ain't gonna lie, the first time I did it, I did not do it for the whole 15 minutes because my neck was killing me. And look, like I predicted, my colors started to come out. It's not really a big like I was like, all right, well, I guess I'm just gonna have to be doing it over again. But this was the hardest angle right here, but I know I had to do it. That's the only way I could get the very back of my hair. So I stayed like this for probably about a good 2 minutes. I've tried to rotate every 2 minutes. Y'all, it ain't fun. It ain't fun at all. So I really wanted to catch, like, for you guys to see like the color of the water after I was done, and with my hair color in the water, it wasn't working out. So I decided to do it over. So that was like probably 5 minutes of me doing it the first time, and then I was like, let me do this over. Hopefully like it don't bleed as much as it did the first time. So I'm just showing you guys that I did it over. Same mixture and everything. And I'm going to try this again. Hopefully it don't change the color of the water that bad. And I really wanted to catch like the amount of dirt that came out of my hair on camera. and it just was not working out for me. So I'm just gonna keep apologizing, guys, because this is not working out. I totally, like, when I was thinking about doing this video, I was not thinking about like the fact that my hair color was gonna bleed into the water, and you were not gonna see like that disgusting water that you guys see all over YouTube, all other videos. Like, my hair wasn't that bad. Like, I didn't have all that like disgusting buildup and stuff in my hair. Like I said, it was just like the base of my hair towards my scalp. So that's my main concern. And yeah, so all you're gonna keep seeing is red Kool-Aid juice. And at this point, I am done. My 15 minutes is completely over, thank goodness. So this is what my hair looks like. I have not shampooed it as yet. I will show you guys. But this is what it looks like right after the ACV rinse. And I'm just checking the back to make sure that most of it is gone or all of it is gone. So what I do notice is that I do still see the buildup, but the difference is it's like the buildup is bored out of the locks, so it's sitting on top of the locks. I can see it a lot more. So I think that's the whole point of it, to bring it out so that when you do wash your hair, you can, it's easier for you to just shampoo and rub it out. So one suggestion that I do think would be a lot helpful if you have someone helping you do this, because they can see more than you can. And I think when your hair is dipped into the water, it's best to have someone there like rubbing the lock, like the ones that you can see that has the most buildup in it or have buildup in it, period. You should be like, you know, taking your fingers and just squeezing it and rubbing it and like trying to get that stuff out of your locks. So that is a tip that I do suggest. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to washing my hair. I do still have to shampoo my hair, and this is my favorite shampoo I like to use, the Tea Tree Peppermint shampoo. I love this shampoo. Love it, love it. So I'm just showing you. I'm still using the bowl because I still want to see like the amount of bleeding that my hair is doing, if it's still bleeding, what's going on. I'm trying to determine, should I even put another rinse in it, or if a lot of color is still coming out. I'm just trying to determine. So I decided to just use the bowl just to take a look at the color of the water every time I dip my hair in there. And right here, I'm just double checking my hair. I'm done shampooing. Everything looks pretty good to me. I still see a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I still see a little bit of spots here and there, but it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just leave it, let it dry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up and subscribe, y'all. Turn that notification bell on before you leave, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Toodles.